as our first story, we're not going to focus so much on the companies that are already public, but on what could be the banner IPO of 2026, and that is SpaceX. And this really started this week as kind of like a rumor that was making the rounds, people speculating on X, and then you had a hint from Elon Musk himself basically saying, this isn't wrong. We're not going to not do it. So that was when things really started to take off, and you saw kind of the rumor mill start, and it started to go from a rumor, I think, to the expectation. SpaceX is one of the leading private companies right now. I think second in market cap, only to OpenAI. This would be an expected $1.5 trillion market cap that they would be pursuing, at least a $25 billion capital raise as SpaceX continues to expand. Obviously, it's space business, but what has also really started to become the growth story for SpaceX is Starlink. So we've seen deals already this year where Starlink is really going to start to go into a broader kind of retail play for their products. And eventually, most cell phones will have that option to connect via Starlink as well, which is a really cool development for that company. So huge potential for SpaceX. I want to just say right now, I think that SpaceX, since they are potentially targeting an IPO in the second half, towards the second half of next year, would be the perfect company to be the first IPO on the new Texas Stock Exchange. So I'm calling it now. I'm going to speak it into existence. I want to see SpaceX, a company that has invested so heavily here in Texas. You could be the first, you could be the banner IPO of the year, not just in America, but really in the world, and we can do it all here in Texas. So that's my message to Elon Musk, who may be watching right now. Let's have that SpaceX IPO happen right here in Texas. I think everybody would love to see that. I want to read a headline that made me laugh. It says, investors say Elon Musk's SpaceX trading debut will be the craziest IPO ever. And that I think speaks to the kind of like retail energy that you could see around a company like this coming to the public markets.